When you think of Toyota, what comes to mind? Reliability? Fuel efficiency? Maybe the Corolla your parents drove for 20 years? No, true. But behind these reliable cars lies a revolutionary story of innovation that didn't just build a company, it completely transformed how the entire world makes things. This isn't just about cars. It's about a philosophy that changed everything. Our story begins not with cars, but with looms. In the early 20th century, Sakichi Toyoda, the founder, invented an automatic loom that would stop itself if a thread broke. A simple idea, right? But this was the birth of Jidoka, or automation with a human touch. The machine was smart enough to prevent defects. This single concept laid the groundwork for everything that was to come. Fast forward to the post-World War II era, Japan's economy was in ruins. A young engineer, Taiichi Ohno, visited the United States. He wasn't just looking at car factories like Ford. He was fascinated by American supermarkets. He watched how shelves were restocked only when they were nearly empty, not a moment sooner. This observation sparked a revolutionary idea. What if you could run a factory the same way? This was the birth of the just-in-time system. Instead of producing massive stockpiles of parts that sit around collecting dust and costing money, Toyota decided to make only what was needed, exactly when it was needed, and in the exact amount needed. It was a radical departure from the mass production model of the West, which was all about producing as much as possible, as fast as possible. But just-in-time couldn't work without another crucial element, Kaizen, the principle of continuous improvement. At Toyota, every single employee, from the CEO down to the person sweeping the factory floor, is empowered to stop the production line if they see a problem. They are encouraged to suggest improvements, no matter how small. Think about that. Instead of managers dictating everything from on high. The real experts, the people doing the work are the ones driving innovation. This created a culture where problems weren't hidden. They were seen as opportunities to get better. Together, Jidoka, Just-in-Time, and Kaizen formed the Toyota Production System, or TPS. It's a system built on eliminating waste, or muda as they call it. And waste isn't just leftover materials. Wasted time, wasted movement, wasted potential. By relentlessly hunting down and eliminating every form of waste, Toyota could produce higher quality cars more efficiently and at a lower cost than their competitors. When the oil crisis hit in the 1970s, the world suddenly wanted smaller, more fuel-efficient cars. American giants were stuck with their gas-guzzling behemoths, but Toyota was ready. Their efficient production system allowed them to pivot quickly and deliver exactly what the market demanded. They didn't just survive the crisis, they thrived. Their reputation for quality and reliability exploded across the globe. The impact of the Toyota production system goes far beyond the automotive world. It's now known as lean manufacturing, and it's been adopted by countless industries. From software development and healthcare to aerospace and retail, the idea of empowering employees, continuously improving, and eliminating waste has become the gold standard for operational excellence. So the next time you get into a Toyota, remember, you're not just driving a car. You're experiencing the legacy of a company that didn't just build better machines. It built a better way of thinking. And that's a story of innovation that truly changed the world forever. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the companies that shape our world. See you in the next one.